Assalamualaikum viewers. Today it's our first video and you know that my channel is Grammar Literacy. We will discuss about the basics of English. While reading, while studying, or while discussing any of the language, we have to go for the basics first of all. So these are the basics, or you can say that these are the mini details about the language, which is very useful. All of you are having the concept about it, but while going for the further discussion, I told you that this is the step-by-step process of learning. So in that video, I just want to tell you about that what are the steps. So these are the mini details, or these are the basics. Sounds. While uttering any word, the sounds are working. The whole vocal tract is working. And we are having the sounds in English. These are the basic steps. As you know that when a child born and he started speaking something, some language, native language, mother tongue, he just utter or he produced the sounds first of all. Cooing, bubbling, hing, any kind of sound. So sounds are the basic of any language. And here we are having the sounds. First of all, we are having the 26 alphabets. These are the fixed alphabets in English, and these 26 alphabets produce 44 English sounds. That is a, ba, k, d, a sound, f, g. These are the sounds, mix of vowels and consonants. They utter the whole basic 44 sounds and the whole language. And these are of three types. These sounds are of three types. First is vowels, second is consonant, third is diphthong. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Basic alphabets A, E, I, O, U. And how they utter? They utter without any restrictor. They are having no structure. There is no restriction, there is no pause, there is no gap. They just utter A, E, I, O, U. A sound, I, U sound, and U sound in that. Next one is the consonants. Consonants are produced with a restrictor or a gap or a pause, and they are rest of all the alphabets except the vowels. Now comes the third category, that is diphthongs. And diphthongs are basically the combination of two or more sounds. The combination of two or more sounds. You can see that in the end that this is the combination of two or more sounds. Okay viewers, our next topic is the syllables. Here is a question that why we discuss the syllables before the word level, syllables level, why we discuss here. So my answer is that in the school, colleges, or wherever you learn about the English language, it's been told that sound produce the words, words produce the sentences and the further composition. But personally I think, and one of my teacher told me that syllables come before the words. And we have to go for the syllables because the syllables are basically production of the words. In the pronunciation, in the uttering, or in the writing even, if you are good in making the syllables clear or distinguished, your language will be better. Your utterance will be better, your pronunciation will be better. So first of all, we are discussing about the syllables. Let's go for the definition first of all and then understand what definition says. A unit of pronunciation having one vowel sounds with or without surrounding consonants. So we are having a pronunciation word here. That definitely clearly means it discusses about the pronunciation or it enhances the pronunciation. it is going to make your pronunciation better. And it is having the vowels. That is compulsory that it is having the vowels, but it is not having consonant, or maybe it is having the consonant. So basically it is a part of the word that has no senses. So we are having a syllable here that is having no meaning, or maybe are having meaning. The other definition, cluster of sound, a bunch of sound, a group of sounds, conveys no meaning but enhance the pronunciation. So we are having three kinds of syllables here. One is a basic one, a primary one. One is having the 2 syllables in it, and one is having more than 2 syllables in it. We are going to discuss them in detail so that further we will understand about it. The next word is idea. We are having the 2 kinds of syllables here. One is idea. We are not going to have idea. We are going to have idea. So how pronunciation is going to be better, you can understand in a single word. After discussing the syllable level, we are having the word level. What are the words? Words are the single, distinct, meaningful element. We are having the 3 words here. Single. Singles mean to say one. We are having a one word. The sounds are going to produce a single element. Now, distinct and meaningful. That every word possess different kind of sounds in it, and they produce a different meaning. And they are having a thought. They are having a sense in it. So it come across a single, distinct, meaningful element or speech or writing used with or other elements. So we are having different kinds of sounds, and they produce a single, distinct, meaningful element, and those single, distinct, meaningful element, those elements which are having some sense in it, produce the sentence. When they come across with each other in a regular pattern, they produce the word. Sounds combined together in a regular pattern. They are having a regular pattern. We are not having irregular or senseless something. They are having a regular pattern so that they are going to produce a word level. We are having some examples here. At, k, t. 3 sounds combined together. At. If we are going to break them and we are going to convert them into the different kinds, like we are going to put them C, k sound in the beginning, a sound in the middle, and the ta sound in the end, they will produce cat. But if ever I'm going to put the ta sound in the beginning, ka sound in the middle, at sound in the end, what it is going to produce? It is a senseless thing. So regular patterns have to follow. You have to follow certain regular patterns so that you're going to produce the words, and those words are going to produce the sentences. These are called the words. We are having different examples. You're having bundle of words in the world. They produce the whole composition. They come across with each other with the aspects of certain rules and regulations that you have to follow so that they are going to produce the whole composition of English. Novels, books, journals, etc., etc. So we are having the word level here. After the word level, we will discuss about the phrases and clauses. Before going to the sentence level, that what is a sentence in English, we will discuss about the phrases and clauses and then the sentence, so that we will follow the step-by-step process of learning, and you will inshallah understand the whole basics of English language, and grammar and everything. Viewers, if you have any query, question or suggestion, please do write it in the comment box which is given below. Share my video, subscribe to my channel and give me the thumbs up. I'll wait for your suggestions for the better outcome. Goodbye, take care.